Once you've completed your grid, you can go ahead and begin drawing on the black paper. The viewfinder is to cover your reference so you can only see the block that you are drawing, one block at a time. Be careful to make sure you're counting and periodically lifting up your reference and counting your blocks so that you don't draw one block in the wrong area. You don't have to use the viewfinder all the time. When you feel like you're in an area that you're confident drawing and you want to make sure that it's connecting with your other pieces, you can just do away with the viewfinder for that area for a little while. And then when you feel you need it, if a part of the drawing gets a little bit tricky, you can just put the viewfinder back and use it for that particular spot. So right here for this larger area of the drawing, I'm not using the viewfinder. I'm using my finger to kind of keep the place. Remember, you're drawing the highlights and not the shadows, so the white colored pencil is capturing the lightest areas of your drawing. It's common to get a little confused and start drawing the shadows just because that's what you're used to, but just make a conscious effort to remember that it is the white areas you're using the white colored pencil for. Also, you want to build up your values kind of slowly. It's much easier to get the white colored pencil whiter than it is to erase and get it darker. So very slowly in layers, you want to build up those bright highlights. You don't want to get it super bright, super fast. Also, what happens is the wax from the colored pencil builds up too quickly, and it's very hard to blend if you go too dark too quick. So work slowly, err on the side of caution. Always go a little bit lighter, and then you can go back at the end and brighten things up if you need to. So you're going to want to treat your background really delicately. The background doesn't have to precisely match the background in the reference photo. The reference photo is more for your cupcake. You do want to add a little bit of reflected light and areas of softness in your background, but you don't have to get it super bright and layer your colored pencil to match the cupcake. You want the cupcake to really be the focal point, and your background just kind of highlights it a little bit.